If you want your muscles to become strong again, if you want to rebuild your strength whether you are young or a senior, then this video is for you. Because today, I will tell you about just one natural thing. If you start taking it, even for a few days, you will feel such power and strength in your muscles that you will remember this video. And you will remember me too. It's simple, it's natural, and it's powerful. So stay with me till the end, because what I'm about to reveal can truly change your body and your life. Our muscles are the foundation of our strength, our balance, and even our confidence. But over time, with age, stress, lack of exercise, or even after an illness, muscles start to weaken. Seniors feel it in their legs and back, struggling with everyday movements. Youth feel it when recovery becomes slow, energy drops, or injuries take longer to heal. What if there was a natural way to help your body rebuild those muscles, restore strength, and bring back lost vitality? That is where Shilajit comes in, a natural gift from the mountains that has been used for thousands of years. Shilajit is a dark, sticky resin found in some of the world's highest mountains like the Himalayas. Over centuries, plants and minerals get trapped between rocks, and with the pressure of nature they transform into this powerful substance. Rich in fulvic acid and over 80 essential minerals, Shilajit is not just another supplement. It is a complete natural energizer, often called the destroyer of weakness in ancient texts. For centuries, it was given to warriors, kings, and elders to restore their strength. Today, modern science is also proving its incredible impact on the human body. Section 2. Why muscle rebuild is important. 3 for 30. 5:30. Let's understand why muscle rebuild is so important. Muscles are not just for athletes or bodybuilders. They are what keep us standing tall, walking strong, and feeling young. Seniors, as they age, face muscle loss, also called sarcopenia. This leads to weakness, joint pain, and difficulty in daily movement. For the youth, weak muscles mean poor stamina, slow recovery, and lack of performance in sports or gym. Without strong muscles, even the best diet or workout plan will fail. This is why rebuilding and maintaining muscle health is absolutely essential. And Shilajit can play a major role in this process. Section 3. How Shilajit works for muscle. Rebuild, 5:30, 9:30. Now the big question. How does Shilajit actually help with rebuilding muscles? Let's break it down, step by step. First, Shilajit boosts your mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside your cells. This means more ATP, more raw energy, and more power for your workouts or even simple daily tasks. Second, Shilajit supports healthy testosterone levels. Testosterone isn't just about masculinity. It is crucial for both men and women when it comes to muscle strength, recovery, and stamina. With balanced testosterone, you can rebuild lost muscles much faster. Third, Shilajit reduces inflammation and muscle soreness. After workouts, your muscles go through tiny tears that need healing. Shilajit speeds up this healing process, so you recover quicker and can train harder. Fourth, Shilajit enhances nutrient absorption. It acts as a natural bioenhancer, helping your body make the most of the proteins, vitamins, and minerals you consume. In simple words, if you are taking protein shakes, good food, or supplements, Shilajit makes them work better. And lastly, Shilajit itself contains minerals like iron, zinc, and magnesium, minerals directly connected with muscle contraction, oxygen transport, and strength. Together, these mechanisms make Shilajit a complete muscle rebuild solution for both youth and seniors. So, how should you take Shilajit if you want to rebuild your muscles? The best and most effective form is pure resin. Start small, about 300 to 500 milligrams a day. That's about the size of a small pea. Mix it in warm water or milk and take it on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Consistency is key. You may not feel changes in one day, but after 3 to 6 weeks you will start noticing improved stamina, better energy, and stronger muscles. Remember, it is not magic, it's nature, and nature always works gradually but deeply. But before you rush to buy it, there are some warnings. Not every Shilajit you see in the market is real. Many are mixed with chemicals or heavy metals that can harm your health. Always choose lab-tested, purified Shilajit. If you take too much, it may cause stomach upset, dizziness, or even lower your blood pressure. And if you have medical conditions like gout or kidney stones, consult your doctor first. Safe use is the key to real benefits. For seniors, even a small daily dose of Shilajit combined with light walking or stretching can bring back strength and mobility, making life easier and more active. For youth, Shilajit is not a replacement for protein or training, but it's a powerful booster. Combine it with a protein-rich diet, gym workouts, and proper rest, and you'll see your muscles grow stronger and recover faster than before. So here's the truth. Muscle rebuild is not just about lifting weights or eating protein. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to recover, restore, and grow. Shilajit is one of those natural tools. Whether you are a senior wanting to bring back strength or a youth aiming to build muscle and power, Shilajit can be your secret weapon. Pure, natural, and safe when used correctly, it has the potential to transform your energy and rebuild your muscles. So, ask yourself, are you ready to give your body this natural edge? If yes, then try Shilajit the right way. Stay consistent and feel the difference. Your muscles will thank you.